everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync the audio if you're using like a receiver or something like that, or a sound bar. So you can see you can just adjust this little slider and hit apply, and it should sync up the audio just a little bit better if there is a small delay. So I'm just going to apply it right there. You can kind of see when you press the button it should like stop for you too. So you can align it real quick. This is called AV sync tuning. If you are experiencing issues with audio and video synchronization while watching media, adjust the setting for audio delay on your device here. So if we go back to the home screen, we can get to this by going over to the right, go to Mr. Ninja Guy for settings, and then going down to display and sounds. And then we want to go to where it says audio AV sync tuning. It'll get you to the screen. Adjust this and set it up, and hopefully this video does indeed help you guys out. If it does, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.